Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
In a large bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup oil, lime juice, cumin, and red pepper flakes. Season chicken with salt and pepper, then add to bowl and toss to coat. When ready to cook, heat remaining tablespoon oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add bell peppers and onion to skillet and cook until soft, 5 minutes. The 24th of July 2020.
Take our lead.
How to cut chicken for fajitas. You want to cut the chicken breasts into thin strips for quick cooking, so they'll be less likely to dry out. Slice your chicken breasts horizontally into 1/2 inch thick slabs. You may want to freeze the chicken for about 30 minutes beforehand, making it firmer and easier to slice. 25 June 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.